Hi guys, welcome to Marcy's in the kitchen. Today we're going to do some French fry barbecue chicken. Guys, remember to wash your meat. And remember guys, to clean up your meat. If you look on your meat here and see anything, just take the knife and scrape it off. And guys, remember, don't remove your skin. Just wash underneath it guys and clean up your chicken very nice. So guys, this is the herb we're going to use to season our chicken. Guys, we have garlic, we have black pepper, chicken season all-purpose, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper, and some mixed spice. So guys, we show you the dry herb, but we using this one. We blend it into the blender guys. We put it into the description and tell you what we blend together to get the green herb. So guys, it's time for we to mix all the herb together, all of the herb together to season the chicken. So guys, it's time for we to season our chicken. So we're going to sprinkle our herb over the chicken. We're going to get in our green herb. We're going to rub it in. I'm going to make your hand clean guys. And remember guys, this meat cannot take no dark season on it. You must just have your natural herb on it. You don't need any browning or anything. When you're doing your French fried chicken, you don't put any browning on it guys. So guys, this is the way it looks when we finish seasoning it. So guys, we're going to cover it up and put it away to soak for about 20 minutes. So guys, we have a small amount of season remain out of what we mix to season our chicken. So guys, we're going to use the amount of season what leave into our flour because we cannot do French fried chicken and we don't have flour. So we have a cup of flour here guys. So we're going to put the remaining season inside to season our flour. I'm going to mix it in guys. We're not going to use any egg inside our French fried chicken because it's a French fried chicken we are doing barbecue, so we do not need to use any egg. Remember guys, we're going to do the sauce for the chicken also. So guys, a little part of my secret in cooking. You know, many people do not know guys that when we use the baking powder, it makes the chicken more tender. So we're going to use a small, about half teaspoon of baking powder into our flour guys. It makes your chicken soft and tender and nice. So guys, it's time to show you how to make your barbecue sauce. So guys, to put it away to make it cool down to when your chicken French fried on to put on your dressing on your French fried chicken. So guys, we're going to get in. Make sure you have guys your barbecue sauce. Put it in. Guys, we're going to put in your ketchup. Some brown sugar guys. Put a teaspoon and a half of brown sugar. I'm going to put in a small amount of browning. I'm going to mix all of the ingredients together. And guys, we're going to put a small amount of water. We're going to mix So guys, look at our barbecue sauce. Guys, look at it. It's time to remove the flame from underneath it, guys. And put it away to cool to go on your French fried chicken. So guys, it's time to pour the oil into the pot to French fry our chicken. So guys, it's time for me to remove our chicken from this container into the flour. So we're going to move away this, guys, and here we go, guys. So we're going to take our hand and put on the flour. Make sure, guys, you put on your flour properly and your chicken. And guys, when you're ready to put it into the pot, always remember to shake it off like this. Shake it off. Here, don't get in it, guys, so we're going to put it there. And always remember to shake it off before you put it into the oil. So guys, here, look, when you finish flouring it, for it a French fry. This time, guys, put in our chicken to the French fry. And guys, when you put in your chicken, there's a trick to it to French fry your chicken. You wouldn't make the oil extra hot to put in your chicken. I'm going to cover it to make it sticky. So guys, look on your chicken. So guys, I cover my chicken when I do my French fry. If I'm using the deep fryer, I do not cover my chicken. But guys, once I'm using a pot and a stove, I'm going to cover my chicken. So in the meantime, the chicken is frying, also steaming. So there is no blood remain into your chicken when you're ready to have your chicken. So guys, it's time for me to turn over our chicken. See guys, all the blood is steaming out of your chicken. And the chicken now, next 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to remove the flame from underneath it. So guys, it's time for me to remove the flame. So guys, you're going to wonder what I'm going to do next. I'm going to put my chicken into the barbecue sauce. So I'm going to put it in there, guys. Take the barbecue, guys, and throw it over it. So guys, this is the way it looks when it's finished to go into the sauce. You can have it with rice and peas, plain rice, whatever you want to have it with, guys, but I'm going to have it with some raw vegetable.